How to install Shelly plug? Let's get started. This is a short unboxing of Shelly plug. On both sides of the box, you can find the technical specifications. Shelly plug is a direct plug and play device, which can be installed really easily. What you may find in the box, when you are opening it for the first time? There is a user guide, which will help you to install the device. Here, you can see Shelly plug in a couple of perspectives. It is clearly understandable what are the real dimensions of the device. For powering, it is necessary just to put it in a socket. The reset button is also an indicator if the relay inside is in on or off position. The next step is to add the device to your local network, and to start using it with the Shelly Cloud app. The device is creating an access point, to which you should connect. After that, open the browser on your smartphone and open the local interface of this device, by accessing the following address, 192.168.33.1. Go to Internet and Security and click on Wi-Fi client mode. There you must enter the name, SSID, and password for your Wi-Fi network. You can add them by DHCP or with static IP out of the DHCP range. When you type them, press save and you will receive a confirmation. Now the device will try to connect to the network, which you filled in the Internet and Security settings. Go back to the Wi-Fi settings of your phone and connect to your home network. Open the Shelly Cloud application and in 30 seconds you will see the room discovered devices. Open it and you will see your Shelly with its ID. Press on click to add and type a name, select a room and a picture/icon, then press save device. You will be prompted if you want to connect your device to the Shelly Cloud service. The device is successfully added to your account and to the cloud. You can freely start using it and automate your sockets. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your Shelly devices.